Last year, we received the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, which featured a larger sensor, better low-light capabilities, and improved audio. Now, however, there are whispers about its potential successor, the Osmo Action Pocket 4. With it comes the speculation of tracking improvements to imaging quality so much better than the already stunning ones. In this video, we will go through these speculated upgrades, features, and a release timeline. So, let's begin. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is likely to deliver the same small size and portable design which are the hallmark of the series. There are speculations that the body might be slightly bigger for improvements, but still quite integrated to the hand. The device may have an improved design to include more comfortable grip and buttons for optimal usage. A touchscreen that has an increased brightness is expected, possibly around 2.5 inches, with improved performance under the sunlight. The gimbal design might undergo some changes in order to provide more durability. From the design perspective, new colors or a new design on the boundaries are possible to set the Pocket 4 apart from predecessor models. Speculation implies a 1-inch CMOS sensor with a resolution of 12 megapixels or greater, an upgrade above the Pocket 3. The lens is said to be 20mm f2.0 or faster, having a focal length of 0.2 meter to infinity. Video capabilities may include 4K recording at up to 240 fps in 16:9 aspect ratio, or 3K at 120 fps in 9:16 format. The device is expected to have a 3-axis mechanical gimbal for stabilization. A rotatable touchscreen with 480 by 800 resolution and 800 nits brightness could improve the user experience. The Pocket 4 may also include an increased ISO range for better low-light performance. The Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to have a better autofocus technology with more focus points and faster subject acquisition. The camera may bring new shooting modes designed specifically for social media content creation. Improved connectivity possibilities may allow for easier file transmission and remote control. There's speculation about improved audio capture capabilities, possibly with support for external microphones or advanced noise reduction algorithms. The Pocket 4 might also offer more advanced time-lapse and hyperlapse modes. Some reports mention the inclusion of built-in ND filters or a quick-swap filter system. Expanded accessory compatibility could increase the camera's suitability for a variety of shooting conditions. The Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to considerably improve on its predecessor's performance. Users can anticipate better quality images with sensor and processor power enhancements, particularly in low-light circumstances. Active Track 7.0, which includes phase detection and eye tracking, promises to provide more dependable and accurate subject monitoring. 10-bit color depth and support for D-Log-M and HDR may improve video performance, giving you more options in post-production. Higher frame rates at 4K resolution would result in smoother slow-motion footage. Overall, the Pocket 4 is expected to produce professional-grade performance in a small form factor. According to DJI's prior release trends, the Osmo Pocket 4 could be available in late 2026 or early 2027. This chronology corresponds to the approximate 3-year gap between prior models. However, market conditions or technology breakthroughs have the potential to accelerate or delay this timeline. Pricing for the Pocket 4 is projected to be higher than that of its predecessor. According to estimates, the ordinary edition will start at roughly $699, with a possible creator combo priced at $799. The figures reflect anticipated updates as well as DJI's positioning of the product in the premium compact camera market. As we've looked at the rumored features of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, it's evident that this camera has the potential to revolutionize portable videography. From the reported bigger sensor and enhanced low-light capabilities to the prospect of faster frame rates and advanced stabilization, the Pocket 4 can greatly increase content creators' creative powers. The anticipated improvements in autofocus, connectivity, and shooting modes point to a device that is developing to match the demands of modern content creation. However, ASLL of these tempting features and enhancements are based on speculation and market trends. We should wait for DJI to make official announcements before determining what the Osmo Pocket 4 will actually offer. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more contents like this.